No way, Dad. That can't be true. You gave it all up? I mean, what could be better than this?
You okay, Tenderfoot?
Who, me? Yeah. Yeah, sure.
What are you doing out here? Don't you have a nice family back home?
What difference does it make? All families are alike. They make you take baths and sleep in a bed, and you have to eat everything in your bowl, and when it rains, you have to come indoors. Let's just say you're lucky you've never had to live with a family.
Wrong again, Tenderfoot.
You mean you had a family?
Actually, I've had 5 families.
I always thought one was too many.
I could never get one to stick. Someone would take me in, and just when I'd start to think, wow, this is my family, they'd move or have a new baby or have an allergy. Same old story. I'm out on the street.
Wait a minute. You really want the family, don't you? But you've got Buster.
Buster, you can't tell him. You can't. He'll kick me out.
Don't worry, your secret's safe with me. I promise.
Thanks.
So, I guess you're Buster's girl, huh?
I am not Buster's girl. I don't belong to anybody. The junkyard dogs aren't much of a family. What choice do I have?
What more do you need? As a junkyard dog, you can stay up late, or dig, or
Run.
yeah, or play, or dig, or
Run.
Right, or chase squirrels.
No, I mean run.
Angel! Angel! Angel, help! Now would be a good time!
Scamp! 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 Where are you? Scamp! Scamp!
Excuse me, I'm looking.
I think I'm on to something.
Are you sure?
I most assuredly got him. This way.
Come on, Pinch.
Oh, look!
Scamp!
Oh, please. Scamp! Oh, thank goodness.
A wig? Ah, you smell the wig, man. You're hopeless. Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Lady.
Come on, we've got to keep searching.
Ah,
I shouldn't have been so hard on him.